Hi, in this problem we're going to factor 20x squared plus 53x plus 18. Let's go ahead and try to work through this solution. So it looks like we have numbers in front of all of the variables here. And so I don't see a common factor that we can pull out from all of these numbers. So I think that's something we're not going to do. So because we have a 20 here, one idea is to use what's called the AC method, which basically means you multiply the 20 by the 18. But I don't really want to do that because the numbers are really big. So let's not use the AC method. So that means we're stuck with the method of guessing. So let's go ahead and try guessing and see how it works. So depending on how lucky we are, it might only take a minute or it might take longer. So guessing always comes with risks. It could take a lot of time. So as far as the 20, you can do like 1 times 20, but that's kind of weird. Let's do 4 times 5. So 4x, 5x. That's a good first start because 4x times 5x is 20x squared. And then we need two numbers that multiply to 18. So 1 and 18 again works, but not very common. Usually like 2 and 9 or 3 and 6. Let's try 2 and 9 first. So I'll put a 2 here and I'll put a 9 here. One thing that's nice about this problem is that everything's positive. So let's try this and see if it works. Let's check. 4x times 5x is 20x squared. That part's easy. 2 times 9 is 18. That part's easy. What's really the hard part is this middle term. So to find the middle term, what you do is you look at the inner and the outer. So the inner here, 2 times 5x is 10x. And the outer is 4 times 9, so 36x. So you add the inner and the outer, it's going to give you 46x. Game over. It does not work. Huge, epic fail. So that's no good. So let's try something else. Maybe let's just try switching the 2 and the 9. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. So 4x plus 9, 5x plus 2. So just switching the 2 and the 9 and crossing our fingers. So again, the 4 times 5 is 20x, no big deal. 9 times 2 is 18, no big deal. It's really about the middle term, this 53. So the inner and the outer always add to the middle term. So here we have 45x, right? 9 times 5 is 45. And then 4 times 2 is 8x. And then when we add these, we get 53x. Yes, 45x plus 8x is 50. So this works. Success. So you have factored a seemingly very difficult problem. 4x plus 9. Very, very easily. Could have been way worse. I think one of the things, well, we got lucky, right? We could have tried 3 and 6 and that wouldn't have worked. Also, there's no negatives in this problem. Whenever there's a negative involved, it makes it a little bit harder. So yeah, I think that's probably the easiest way to do the problem. We got pretty lucky. We only had to guess once to get the answer. Hopefully this video has helped you in some way. Good luck.